In this video, we will discuss how to save money with cash discount processing. This is a payment processing model where businesses add a surcharge to credit card payments and offer a discount to customers who pay with cash. This simple strategy can help you save thousands of dollars in processing fees every year. Before implementing cash discount processing, it's important to understand how it works. If you're a business owner, you can offer a cash discount to customers who pay with cash. On the other hand, if they pay with a credit card, a surcharge is added to cover the processing fees. The credit card fee is typically around 3%, while cash discount processing fees are significantly lower. Implementing cash discount processing may seem daunting, but with the right preparation and execution, it can be an easy and effective way to save money. Start by updating your pricing system and prominently displaying your cash discount offer. Also, be sure to train your employees on the new payment processing model to ensure a smooth transition. The benefits of cash discount processing go beyond saving money on processing fees. This payment model also encourages customers to pay with cash, which can help businesses save on bank fees associated with credit card processing, and also reduce the risk of chargebacks and fraudulent activities. In conclusion, cash discount processing is a simple yet effective way to save money on processing fees and encourage customers to pay with cash. With careful planning and execution, this payment model can help your business save thousands of dollars every year.